welcome back. Let's go to the music. Let's check the DJ. One thing, do you see that collab of Z and Dlala Thukzin? It's a perfect one. They should stick that on that, like Jazzy Q, not Jazzy Q, Jazzy Wax, Jazzy World, and Thukzin. You can see that collab. It works. I think now maybe about 7 law is a strategy, and they must do album or EP. I heard someone said she's a queen of two-step. I ask Jessica, no. No, we need to sex. For now, mama. Mama. Do you subscribe, guys? Make sure. Yeah. Abanye abantu besithi le ngoma no imbi, kubantu imoshile, but it's a good song. Funa wena mama. Let's go win and I'm out. Make sure you do the right thing.